Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar for your content. To begin, go to the HeyGen website. Then, click the link and create an account using your Gmail. After signing up, you'll see the subscription plans. In the free version, you can generate up to 3 videos per month, each lasting up to 3 minutes, with an export resolution of 720p. Video processing is standard, so choose the free plan. It will now ask for your preferred language and the reason you're using HeyGen. Answer the questions, then click Continue a few times. You'll be taken to the HeyGen main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on the Avatar option. Now, click on Create New Avatar. There are a few options. The first is Video Upload. If you upload a recorded video, it will create a lifelike avatar with realistic motion and customizable features. The second option is Custom Photo Avatar. Here, you can use existing photos to create your avatar. The last option lets you generate an avatar directly using a text prompt. Just type in your prompt, and HeyGen will generate an avatar. I'm going to choose the Custom Photo Avatar option. Click on it. Then select and upload your photos. You can use a model photo or upload one of yourself. Once uploaded, HeyGen will review it for copyright issues. This may take a few moments. If there's no copyright issue, you'll see a green check mark. Then click Continue. Give your avatar a name. Specify the age, gender, and ethnicity. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Continue. This will bring you to a new window. Your avatar is almost ready. Next, choose how you want to add a voice. You can record your own or use a voice from the HeyGen library. I'm going to select Add a Voice. Choose a voice from the available options.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Oi, aqui está como eu sou. Espero que goste. A voz certa dá vida aos...
I'm picking this one. Now click Add Voice to confirm your selection. On the right-hand panel, you'll see more options. Generate Looks allows you to create visual variations using prompts or by training a custom model. Click See How It Works for a quick tutorial. To train a model, upload at least 10 photos of yourself for better accuracy. Uploading 20 or more photos gives the best results. Note, this feature is only available with the premium plan, as shown by the premium badge. Click on your uploaded avatar. You'll see 2 main options. Click Add Motion. This turns your image into a 10-second video loop with full body and background movement. There are 2 motion styles, consistent and expressive. I'm choosing Expressive, which is best for tutorials or content creation. Now click on Edit Looks. This opens more settings. You can rename your avatar and enable Super Resolution. It shows you a comparison between the original and enhanced version. Toggle it on. Background removal is a premium feature. The voice you added is shown here, and you can change it if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Save as New. This saves your updated avatar version. Open this new version. You can now choose between landscape and portrait layout. I'm choosing landscape. Click Add Motion. I'm selecting Expressive again. I'm leaving the prompt field blank since it's optional. Click Add Motion one more time. HeyGen will now begin generating motion for the avatar. This process takes a few minutes. Please be patient while it finishes. I'll skip the wait here. As you can see, our talking avatar is now ready. Click to preview what HeyGen has created.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
You'll notice I'm using a mask in this example. This avoids the need for perfect lip syncing. Here's a bonus tip. You can mute the original audio and use any voice you want instead. Now click the 3 dots and download your generated avatar. That's it, guys. If this helped you, don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching.